Recently, I've been trying to be on a health streak, and my Instagram and YouTube feed are filled with air fryer recipes because that's how much I've been looking for it. These days, air fryers are not just for frying, but it is now a multi-purpose cooking device used for baking, grilling, roasting, toasting, defrosting, dehydrating, reheating, and so much more. Let's see how to use some of the lesser known functions of the air fryer today. I've been using a Philips air fryer for a while, and this video is kindly sponsored by Philips. But as always, experiments and opinions are my own. Let's start with the first one. Boiled eggs on the stove have always been a hit and miss for me. Being someone who cooks but does not enjoy cooking too much, the frustration of hard-boiled eggs is real. It depends on the type of eggs, the cooking time and cooling time and so on, which I always seem to get wrong. But boiled eggs in the air fryer give you consistent results every single time. Just pop the eggs in the air fryer and cook it for 16 minutes at 120 degrees Celsius and cool it for about 5 minutes in an ice bath or cold water. This Philips air fryer has a rapid air plus technology with a starfish design at the base, which swirls hot air across the air fryer to help us get perfectly boiled eggs every single time. Have you tried making hard-boiled eggs in the air fryer? Drop me a comment if you have. The next recipe I'd like to try are roasted cashews. Now, cashews are a weakness for many of us, I guess. But it's so easy to make in the air fryer that I wonder how come I did not try it earlier. Again, super simple 2 minutes prep. Add 1 tablespoon ghee, 1 cup cashews, half teaspoon chili powder, turmeric powder and salt and mix. You can also use a spice mix of your choice for this dish like pepper and garlic powder. Add this to the air fryer and air fry it for about 170 degrees Celsius for 7 to 8 minutes. The Rapid Air Plus technology ensures that we don't even need to flip or mix the cashews during the air frying process. This makes for a super quick party snack, and see how quickly it disappears from the table when you are hosting. This air fryer is a 6.2 liter air fryer and it can cook a lot of food simultaneously. For reference, an equivalent of about 800 grams of French fries or 1.2 kg large chicken. Next, let's talk about the grill features. Corn cob ribs brings back memories from a trip to Bali where I had the best corn ribs and I had to recreate this healthy dish. Simply cut the corn into 8 pieces, make a seasoning with 2 tablespoons of oil, garlic powder, chili powder and black pepper powder. I brush this seasoning on the corn ribs and air fry it for about 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Increase or decrease the timing based on how grilled you would like the corn to be. In the next variant of this air fry, you can monitor the progress on the HomeID app, and when the air fryer is done, you will receive an alert on your phone. So no need to constantly monitor it. Once we are satisfied with the air frying or the grilling, transfer it to a serving plate. Drizzle some sauce of your choice. I'm using the chipotle sauce, and add some cheese if you like. Let me know in the comments if you did try this out. By now, you've seen a trend. I only pick up recipes that are super easy to make, and the air fryer makes it that much easier. This Philips air fryer is large, 6.2 liters. Large enough to fry an entire chicken of 1.2 kgs, I'm told. It has 7 preset menus for easier temperature and time selection and can perform 13 cooking functions like fry, defrost, roast, grill, dehydrate, bake, amongst others. With a 2-year warranty and access to 500 plus recipes on the HomeID app, Philips air fryers make it super easy to make the transition to healthier and easier cooking. If you found this video useful, share this video and subscribe to become part of the 97,000 plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.